When I first asked us to get into robotics, I truly underestimated just how difficult it was, and that I thought that, okay, all I have to do is say, let's get in robotics, and then we'd have a great robotics team. That I didn't realize this was going to be something that would have to be done incrementally. At the same time, we started small and have gotten bigger. It's gotten increasingly stronger over the last 2 years. Shannon Gottschalk has done a great job with taking it to the next level.
Well, my vision personally is to see these boys succeed in their engineering, and the robot is the first step. Hopefully we can move on to robots that have more functional use beyond just a toy that can throw a block into a bin, but actually have a robot that can help people out to assist them in their daily lives.
More than anything, I saw it as a way to get young people excited about learning. That by seeing the robots operate, be able to operate the robots, it would make them interested in learning how those robots operate, and that it just would get them excited and curious. And part of we talk about education, development, and inspiration, so it's part of that educate, develop, inspire. So it's one of those things that would help inspire them to learn more.
The students just love this. They are excited about learning with their hands. Like you give them parts, and they are able to just start putting those parts together, and then they start using the different functions of physics. And when we get into the robotics competitions, we can see further opportunities to express how technology is using their minds and applications to either score a goal or help those in need.
I was very interested, have always been interested in science, technology, engineering, math, so STEM education. Certainly from my time at the Coast Guard Academy, I had the opportunity to watch our cadets up there work with high school students in FIRST Robotics, and they invited me to a FIRST Robotics competition. When I went into the competition, it reminded me of worldwide wrestling, so people surrounding those who were playing with robots and everybody cheering on everybody who was operating the robots. Just seemed like a lot of excitement about learning, and so it was something that I wanted to have here at Fork Union, so that we had young people who had hands-on experience with robots and thought that they could have fun doing that and competing with that. In a way, I think just to get interested in engineering and math, which is something that can help them be so successful later on in life.
Robotics is like my future, my dream, so I think robotics is like a really new technology that it will make a big influence in the future.
I think that Cadet Lee represents exactly what it is that I was interested in as we talked about creating a robotics program, which is a young person who has a gift and a young person who wants to use that gift to support not only himself but also to bring acclaim to the school.
The boys are starting to see, hey, it's not a game anymore. This is real engineering. This is what it's all about. We're building engineers, technologists, and mathematicians and scientists to study and learn from their experiments.
What I would like to make sure is that young people are able to find their gifts, and that sometimes that gift is engineering related, sometimes it may be related to liberal arts. I certainly don't want to lose any ground in that area, but just felt as though we needed to push this. What I would like to do is to have Fork Union Military Academy be as renowned and acclaimed for its academic programs as it is for its sporting programs right now and its athletic development.